As 22nd Century Group emerges as a trailblazer in tobacco harm reduction, it's reducing the health impacts of smoking through nicotine reduction through its proprietary VLN technology. VLN enables adult smokers to control nicotine consumption without switching to alternative products such as vapes or pouches. Building on the success of its FDA-authorized 84mm VLN king-size cigarettes, 22nd Century is actively developing a 100mm VLN variant under what was previously called Operation 100. This new format is designed to broaden consumer choice and availability while responding to consistent demand from both retail partners and adult smokers seeking familiar product formats with reduced nicotine content. 22nd Century explains that this initiative leverages the scientific data, regulatory experience, and prior PMTA submissions to streamline approval. It also carves out a considerable competitive advantage that's further strengthened by 22nd Century, holding the only FDA-issued pre-market tobacco product application, PMTA, authorization for a combustible reduced nicotine content cigarette, making it uniquely qualified to navigate both domestic and potentially international regulatory environments. CEO Larry Firestone has stressed that the company prefers voluntary adoption of low-nicotine products across the market, rather than waiting for mandatory regulations, and sees opportunities to license VLN technology to other tobacco companies. The broader portfolio strategy includes multiple PMTA submissions for diverse blends, product sizes, and formats such as filtered cigars, offering both consumer flexibility and potential licensing opportunities for compliant, ready-to-market solutions. Since FDA authorization in December 2021, VLN cigarettes have been the only combustible products approved to specifically reduce nicotine consumption. Decades of peer-reviewed clinical research support FDA-authorized claims, including 95% less nicotine and helps you smoke less, with studies demonstrating that lower nicotine intake can increase quit attempts and reduce overall exposure to nicotine. This scientific validation positions VLN products as a credible, evidence-based tool for harm reduction and underpins 22nd Century's marketing, regulatory, and commercial efforts. Financial-wise, the past year saw the closing of unprofitable contracts, reducing manufacturing overhead, and launching new products and brands. These initiatives expanded retail availability, with VLN products now in 1,636 outlets across 23 states. The shift toward higher-margin branded products contributed to improved gross margins and reduced operating losses. The balance sheet was strengthened significantly, ending the year debt-free with $7.1 million in cash, and inventories increased to $4.3 million from $2.9 million in the prior quarter to support expanded distribution of reduced nicotine products. Despite these achievements, the fourth quarter of 2025 reflected some transitional challenges. Net revenues decreased to $3.5 million from $4 million in the previous quarter, reflecting the exit from lower margin activities, while gross loss improved to $0.8 million. While both operating loss and net loss narrowed to $2.8 million. Adjusted EBITDA loss also improved to $2.4 million from $2.9 million, highlighting the positive impact of cost management and focus on higher-margin product lines. Cigarette revenues grew slightly to $2.6 million, driven by pricing adjustments and new product launches, whereas filtered cigar revenues declined to $400,000 due to product mix shifts. Other tobacco products, including Pinnacle Moist Snuff and cigarillos, contributed $0.4 million in revenue. VLN shipments totaled approximately 8,800 cartons during the quarter, encompassing both company-branded and partner products, signaling meaningful early adoption in the market. In 2025, 22nd Century also eliminated over $8 million in legacy debt and completed a $9.5 million non-dilutive insurance settlement related to the 2022 Grass Valley facility fire. State authorizations for branded products expanded significantly, with 22nd Century VLN authorized in 48 states, Pinnacle VLN in 42 states, Pinnacle in 45 states, Smoker-Friendly VLN in 43 states, Smoker-Friendly in 47 states, and Smoker-Friendly Black Label in 39 states. Pinnacle VLN was rolled out to nearly 1,500 stores within a top 5 convenience store chain across 12 states, with full rollout expected across remaining locations in 2026, supported by in-store marketing and digital promotions. Meanwhile, negotiations continue with additional customers to further expand VLN distribution and diversify the reduced nicotine product category. As 2026 moves along, 22nd Century plans to increase retail distribution to over 5,000 outlets, enhance consumer awareness, and leverage partner licensing to drive adoption of VLN products, as well as continue efforts to scale to higher margin revenue streams, while also working towards EBITDA break-even. In the broader context, the regulatory landscape continues to favor 22nd Century's approach, with VLN products aligned with the FDA's proposed low-nicotine mandate, positioning it as a key participant in public health-driven harm reduction efforts.